Hey, you just caught me in the middle of editing another Great Racer Cinema Productions video. Whoa! It's a bit hard to catch, isn't he? There. Hello again. Yeah, I just had myself a speedy breakfast today. Because today we're going to be reviewing the Cap'n Crunch Cinnamon Bolts cereal. Yeah, this time it's actually a creative name, Cinnamon Bolts, because this ties into The Flash. Yeah, and if you haven't known already, The Flash is known for super speed. Yeah, it's not known to run really fast. Yeah, and of course, there's even a comic, if I remember correctly, where... Yeah, it's just my friend messaged me. Yeah, where, like, he had a treadmill that could travel in time, and if that isn't crazy, I don't know what is. Anyways, let's take a look at The Flash cereal. This is the final cereal in the Quaker DC series of breakfast cereals and oatmeals. Yeah, so we got the milk ready. Yeah, let's try it out. Yeah, and this time we actually got orange juice with it. Yeah, orange juice. Not that no sugar added crap. Yeah, and of course a Pop-Tart and Baby Bell. Alright, let's heat up. This might actually be better than the Superman cereal. The taste of it really reminds me of Cinnamon Toast Crunch if it was mixed with a French Toast Crunch. Actually, it's like French Toast Crunch if it had cinnamon on it. It's kind of unique. Yeah. French Toast Crunch is one of my favorite breakfast cereals, by the way. Yeah, so is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So putting the two together, kind of interesting. And I think this is by far the better of the two breakfast cereals. Not a fan of the Superman cereal because, well, it's berry flavored. But I suppose kids will like it. But yeah. Sheldon's favorite superhero, and this would have been if The Big Bang Theory still aired, Sheldon's favorite breakfast cereal as well. So yeah, it's a good combination. Yeah, and I'd say, actually ironic that we end on a cereal of Sheldon's favorite superhero, The Flash. Yeah, and of course, because it's like an interesting mix of a French Toast Crunch and Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. The idea for it is pretty interesting. And yeah, I do wish that Quaker would come up with a Cap'n Crunch that's a cinnamon flavored Cap'n Crunch. You listening, guys, at Quaker? So yeah, pretty interesting cereal, and I think this might be the best item in the DC breakfast range. I think this might top the Batman oatmeal, the Bat oatmeal. So, in order of ranking, this ranks in the top. Second is the Bat oatmeal. Third is the Wonder Woman Super Cinnamon Roll oatmeal, the Amazonian oatmeal. I mean the Amazonian cinnamon flavored oatmeal. And very below that is Superman Super Berry Crunch. So yeah, those are my top 4 breakfast items in the Quaker DC Superheroes Breakfast series. Yeah, that's that. Batman's arch nemesis is the Joker, but my arch nemesis is the YouTube algorithm. Smaller channels are being attacked and put at risk because of the viewer-based algorithm that YouTube has. And yes, the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel will be needing every ounce of support from you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see when new Racer Simmer Productions videos are being posted. And together, we can help defeat the algorithm and drive it away from the Racer Simmer Productions YouTube channel. And yes, every subscriber count matters, because it means you are really awesome and you support me through the difficult time on being on YouTube. Yeah, it means you really support me during these difficult times. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time.